Emphasis.
Yeah.
Nature.
Oh my goodness, my life.
Welcome to the Nature episode of Nature, where we are one with nature.
We will be showing you how great nature can actually be. Nature is a wonderful thing. It can be used for life and for sustenance and for beauty. Respect nature. Be gentle with the earth and your surroundings.
Here to talk to you about the horrors of technology. Technology destroys our world. It detaches us from beautiful nature, trees, plants, animals.
Technology is the reason we cut down beautiful trees like this. Like Siri, what kind of tree lives in the forest?
Look at this beautiful tree in nature. What is that? Rebecca, look at this. Look at, isn't that the biggest spider you've ever seen? Abby, come here, come here.
We need a third opinion. Is that not the biggest spider? Nature is beautiful. Be one with the animals. Jesus Christ, that is the largest ant I've ever seen. It's dead. Some trees are big and strong and wide and tall. They have lots of bark and they tend to be brown or white. And other trees, they're a little smaller and thinner and not as tall, but we still love them. I mean, as opposed to the other tree, they're a little cold and ring and they're hollow. Go big and strong, little tree.
Kiss it.
The dead trees grow.
Of course they do. Everyone knows that, silly. We will now discuss how sticks grow in the ground. Abby, would you like to go first?
No, I think you should go, Savannah.
First, we plant them in the dirt. Then, we water them. Hey, can we get that watering can over here?
Grow big and strong, little tree. Yeah, here. It's out of water.
Sometimes people keep animals captive in their backyards. We let them free.
What is it called when you keep an animal? You shouldn't do that.
Be free, little one. Run free.
Hey!
one with it, respect it, and most of all, have fun. This has been Nature Expedition, Episode 1. Be one with nature. Understand. Respect. Start over.
Come on, come here, Sally. Give Papa a kiss.
Would you like to voice your opinions about the new show, Nature Expedition?
Yeah, I know the kids you're talking about. They're always trying to take my sweet little Sally away from me. I don't know what they're doing to you, Sally.
Go swimming, baby.
Oh, you can do it! Be free, my friend! It's all